What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn in the topic and source material into a downloadable digital course automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To generate a downloadable digital course automatically from a topic, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating our digital courses just by adding a topic. To create the skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here and here. Click on Add and click on Create with Claude. So we're going to create our skill using Claude. To describe to Claude the kind of skill that we'd like you to generate for us, I'm going to hit Enter right here. Give it a few seconds to describe the skill that we'd like Claude to create for us. And here we're going to write the description of our skill. I've added the prompt to this Google Docs document right here. I'm going into details on the kind of course that we'd like you to generate for us over here, including the items in the course. This is amazing. So it's a total. This document has a total of 18 pages. So here we're going to tell Claude the skill must prioritize these items here in the core workflows, input handling, topic, a title, objective, PDF, and all these other items right here, including a URL, and performance source analysis right here. And here we're also planning the course architecture, the lesson design, learning design, visual learning requirements, diagram and flowchart quality, icons for it to use, examples and case studies, practical exercises, knowledge checks, module summaries, final course assessment, final practical project, course navigation, Google Docs design, course length, source attribution, factor integrity, quality control, video handling, final output, and the summary of what it's going to do. Yeah. For the same final output, we'd like for you to add the course to a Google Docs and provide the link to the document. So we can preview our course. To create our skill using these prompts, I'm going to copy this prompt right here, then I'll paste it right here, and then I'm gonna hit send message and give Claude a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. So now if you're interested in these prompts, just comment down below prompts and I'll send you these prompts automatically. For now, let's give it a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. So here you can see successfully created our skill for us from our comprehensive prompt that we fed it. Skill is called AI Course Builder. This is a skill that we're going to use to generate our course. So now to install the skill, we're going to start by downloading it right here. So successfully downloaded. Now after it has been downloaded, we're going to install it. So I'll go back to our skill and here. So over here, I'm going to upload the zip. You can see it was uploaded successfully. And now when we go back to our skills here, you can see our comprehensive AI course builder skill with all the different steps that it's going to take to generate our course for us. This is really incredible. In the end, you're seeing the quality checklist right here. It's incredible. So now when you go over the skill line by line, you notice that you need to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill. You can choose to edit the skill. To edit the skill, just click on the three dots right here. Then to edit the skill, click on Edit with Claude. And then here, you can tell Claude what you'd like it to include or exclude from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we can begin testing it right here. So to test it, we're going to use our skill right here. So let's find our AI course builder skill. And then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to create a self-paced course titled AI Automation for Small Businesses, how to identify, build, and implement AI-powered workflows. Use the provided source material as a foundation, then create and publish the finished course as a Google Doc. Keep the course substantial but focused for approximately 4,000 to 7,000 words and 15 to 18 pages, with the curriculum divided into an appropriate number of modules and lessons based on the material. Do not pass the course to reach these limits, and complete the task from start to finish, then return the brief summary and the Google Docs link for review. So here you can choose the number of words and the number of pages that you'd like the course to be. So if you're interested in generating a massive course, you can increase the number of pages and the number of words. But since this is just an example, we're choosing to only generate a course of 15 to 18 pages, between 4,000 to 7,000 words. So now for you to generate our course for us, I'm going to hit send message right here. Then we're going to give it a few seconds for it to generate our course for us. So here you can see successfully generated our course for us right here. One skill and one prompt. This is incredible. The title was AI Automation for Small Businesses, how to identify, build, and implement a powered workflows. Here is a summary of the generation, and here you can see the course link. It included 4 modules, 13 lessons, 4 module summaries, 10 text-based diagrams, 20 plus knowledge checks, 3 hands-on practice activities, 1 capstone project, and 10 question final assessment, roughly 6,000 words. To preview our course, I'm going to open this link right here. Right here you can see our detailed course. Here you can see what the course is about. Here you can see the course overview, description, who it's for, what you'll be able to do when you're done, prerequisites, estimated completion time, how to use this course, and a note on sourcing. And you can see the tables of content here, learning objectives. Then we're getting into the course. So we're starting with the foundations of AI automation for small businesses. That's module number 1 right here. We'll go into more details on the topic here. See all the lessons right here. So it's incredible. We're generating the module summary. Then going to the second module right here, which is identifying high value automation opportunities. Then going into more details on the topic right here. You can see all the lessons here, and then you can see the module summary. Then we're going to module 3, which is building AI powered workflows here, and here you can see all the lessons, the course. Then you can see the 4th module right here, implementing, measuring, and scaling. And you can see all the lessons right here. You can see, and then here you're seeing the module summary. And here you can see capstone project, build and implement one real workflow. Here you can see the final assessment and the conclusion of the course right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated this very detailed 40-page course automatically using our skill that we created right here in Claude. Let us try generating a new course using a different topic using our skill. So to do that, I'm going to find our skill right here, which is AI course builder skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to create a complete self-paced course titled Personal Finance for Beginners, How to Build a Budget, Eliminate Debt, and Start Investing. Use the topic as a foundation and supplement it with reliable general knowledge where necessary. And create and publish the finished course as a Google Docs. Keep the course substantial but focused. Aim for approximately 4,000 to 7,000 words with 15 to 25 pages. Do not power the course to reach these limits. And complete the task from start to finish. Then return the brief summary and the Google Docs link. Preview. To generate a new course using our skill, I'm going to hit send message right here. Let's give it a second for you to generate our course for us. Successfully generated our course right here. So the title was Personal Finance for Beginners, How to Build a Budget and Eliminate Debt and Start Investing. And you can see the summary, what it generated for us right here. And here you can see the link to the course, and here is what it included to the course. To preview our course, I'm going to open this link right here. And here you can see our comprehensive and detailed course that is generated for us over here from our topic. Generated a total of 40 pages of our course. So you can see the topic, you can see the course overview, description right here, where the course is for. They'll be able to do when they're done, prerequisites, estimated completion time, how to use this course, and a note on sourcing. And here you can see the tables of content. So we're generating a total of 4 modules right here with the lessons and the summaries in each module, as you're going to see. And the capstone project right here, the final assessment. So you can see the learning objectives and the first module right here, which is the foundations here, and the lesson. Then you can see the lessons right here, the module. Then you can see the second module, which is eliminating debt. And you can see the lessons right here. This is incredible. Then the third module right here, which is to start investing here. And then module summary, and then the fourth module right here with all the lessons right here. And the summary. And here you can see the capstone project here. Then the conclusion to the course is amazing. So we successfully generated this very detailed and comprehensive course automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. All you have to do is just copy our entire course and paste it to a design tool. It's going to design each of our pages for us right here and include our course designs. And you can turn it into a downloadable PDF that we can sell for however many dollars to an audience. Let's try generating a new course using our skill again. So to generate a new course, we're going to tell Claude use this skill to create a complete self-paced course titled Project Management for Beginners: How to Plan, Execute, and Deliver Projects Successfully. Use the topic as a foundation and supplement it with reliable general knowledge where necessary. Then create and publish the finished course as a Google Doc. Keep the course substantial but focused. Aim for approximately 4,000 to 7,000 words. You can increase the number of words and pages. But in our case, we're choosing only 15 to 25 pages. Do not pass the course to reach the limit. Complete the task from start to finish, then return the brief summary and Google Docs link. To generate the course from our topic, I'm going to hit send message right here and then give it a second for it to create our course for us. Here you can see successfully generated our course for us from our topic, which was project management for beginners and how to plan, execute, and deliver projects successfully. Here's a summary of the generation, the link to the course, and what it included to the course right here. So it included 5 modules, 13 lessons, 8 text-based diagrams and visuals, 30 knowledge checks, 5 practical activities, and a full end-to-end capstone project. To review the course, I'm going to open this link right here. And here you can see our course, the 34-page course. So you can see the title, course overview right here. It's amazing. And here you can see the table of contents, which has only 5 modules with detailed lessons on each module. And you can see the capstone project towards the end. You can see the learning objectives. Then we're starting with the first module right here, which is the foundation of project management. You can see the detailed lessons on the module. Same with the second module, the lessons. Third module right here. So the lessons. Fourth module, the lessons. Here, fifth module, lessons. Here, you can see the capstone project on a plan a real project end to end. Here, you can see the conclusion towards the end right here. This is amazing. So we successfully generated this incredible detailed course automatically using this skill that we created right here in Claude. So all you have to do is just paste this course to a designed template. The next one is the PDF that you can proceed to sell or use as a lead magnet. We can try generating one last course using our skill and then we're going to tell Claude use this skill to create a complete self-paced course titled Cybersecurity for Beginners: How to Protect Your Accounts, Devices, and Personal Data. Use the topic as a foundation and supplement it with reliable general knowledge where necessary. And create and publish the finished course as a Google Doc. Keep the course substantial but focused. Aim for approximately 4,000 to 7,000 words and 15 to 25 pages. Do not pass the course to reach these limits. And complete the task from start to finish. Then return the brief summary and Google Docs link. I'm going to hit send message to generate our course using our skill. So let's give it a second for it to do that. You can see it successfully generated our new course for us over here. Our topic was cybersecurity for beginners: how to protect your accounts, devices, and personal data. You can see the summary of the creation, course link, and what is inside the course. Review the course. I'm going to open this link right here. Click on open link. And here you can see our course. You can see the topic, the course. You can see the overview of the course right here and how to use it. And here you can see the table of content. The course we generated a total of 5 modules. And in each module we have detailed lessons and summaries right here, then the custom project. And we're starting with the first module right here. You can see the detailed lessons module. And the second module right here, you can see the detailed lessons here. And the third module, the lessons here. And the fourth module and the lessons right here. And the fifth module, the lessons right here. And the custom project right here. Then lastly, we are wrapping up the course. So we successfully generated this amazing, detailed, and comprehensive course automatically using this skill that we created right here in Claude. So it's amazing. So this is how you can generate comprehensive and detailed course automatically using this skill that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video. I'll be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.